All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Terra Luna Classic because, boy, over the past few hours, especially after Terra Luna Classic has seen such a massive spike, I've seen a lot of people saying, Crypto ZX, we need an update on Terra Luna Classic. So of course, I'm going to bring you guys, what you guys request. So thank you so much for all your support, and let's waste no more time and take a look at Terra Luna Classic and see what really is happening and whether or not there honestly is a future left for Lunc, moving forward. So if we're looking at the price, of course, on the daily time frame, it's up 33.1%, having a significant bounce, especially if you're looking at on the weekly time frame, it's up 42.9%. So, it's seeing a lot of momentum once again coming into the price, but we're going to get into some of the details that you guys might not really be focusing on right now. But as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 9093. So we possibly could be, killing one more zero as we are going further into the month, especially if this momentum were to carry on. It's up 33% in Bitcoin and USD comparative. So of course, the shift in momentum is definitely there right now. But the reason as to why the shift is happening is because of course, the entire market momentum shifting to extreme bullish momentum. You're seeing the likes of pretty much every altcoin really exploding, and I think the whales really did see an opportunity there for Terra Luna Classic to come and pump it up. But could this rally really continue, and what are my thoughts on Terra Luna Classic moving forward? Let's take a look at that. So if you're looking at the market cap, it's up above a $500 million mark, currently sitting at 525.8 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $290.2 million. So the buying pressure is quite high, and of course being above $500 million mark is of course really nice to see. But is this momentum really going to carry on? Is this an organic move, or is it just whales coming in and manipulating? We're going to look at the pros and cons, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you're looking at Twitter right now, you guys can see under business and finance, we're seeing Terra once again trending, and Terra Luna Classic made its way down below the top 100 coins, but it's re-entered the top 100 after this massive move. But can this move really carry on, and why is this move really happening? My main prediction or overall opinion is the fact that we've seen such a massive inflow coming into the cryptocurrency market, especially a lot of bullish news. We're seeing actually institutions coming in. So what whales are doing now is, after Bitcoin has had this significant bounce, after a lot of these other altcoins have had bounce, these massive whales are looking for the next opportunity, the next coin that hasn't really seen a significant bounce. And I think we're going to continuously see projects that have been pretty much been in a downwards trajectory over the course of the past few months really start popping off, and I think this is going to carry on. You will see this. What do I think about Terra Luna Classic? Again, remember, I've said this from the beginning. Terra Luna Classic, we could talk about burns here and there, validators, this and that, but people always tend to talk. Talking is the easiest thing to do, but when it really comes to burning your hard-earned money, people kind of think twice. And until that does not happen to a significant large number of Terra Luna Classic, I don't really think that terms of massive reversal that a lot of people are projecting will happen. I've said this from the beginning, and I'll say it again, but they have a lot of positive things still happening for themselves. Of course, the CEO is in jail. That is a huge bearish factor. And not only that, there's still, it's no question, guys, there's still a lot of investors out there that are still on the sidelines that don't really want to invest, because especially what happened last year, the massive collapse. And I totally get that. But this is now turning into a community token, and in order for a community token to thrive, the community needs to continue really working together, and of course really taking these burns to another level. And the validators need to have good intentions. If they don't, then of course what's going to happen. But this move is not coming as a surprise to me at all right now. You can see this for yourself. Has seen a significant bounce. If you picked up some Terra Luna Classic and pretty much any crypto at, October 18th level, guys, you're pretty much up. But, for Terra Luna Classic, it's up almost about 80%, which is insane. And, that is quite impressive gains. But what is next? Could Terra Luna Classic, pull some levels that we haven't seen since September of last year? In order for that to happen, we need more momentum. The biggest thing Terra Luna Classic has for itself is the support of Binance still, CZ. And, that support in a bull market, if he starts tweeting more about it, say, we're with Terra Luna Classic, we're here to really make this community, we're here to help, basically. If he starts talking about that, and especially in a bull market, that can be the biggest plus point that anyone could have ever asked for. So right now, you guys can see this for yourself. We have a lot of resistance coming in the way. If this resistance right here is able to get cleared, we're about to retest, this resistance that we have not seen since March of this year. So pretty much 9 months at this 14503 mark, and that's still a huge move left towards the upside. You can see this for yourself, about a 60% move. If this momentum were to carry on, I think we could potentially see that. But with that said, guys, if this move is done by massive whales, and they close their positions, whether it's on leverage or they just spot dump a bunch of Terra Luna Classic, of course expect a pullback. Terra Luna Classic does not have, hear me out, Terra Luna Classic does not have that much of an investor confidence. So of course, some people that think Terra Luna Classic is going to make a massive comeback, hear me out, the ones that think it's going to make a massive comeback do have it in their portfolio, like a percentage of it. But if you're going in the cryptocurrency markets and completely investing in the single coin and that's all in your portfolio, this is the biggest red flag that you could be doing. Always diversify. If Terra Luna Classic does tend to have the biggest reversal ever and Binance really steps in and other exchanges start helping it out, we could see something massive occur. But these are some factors you need to keep in mind. If you are sitting at some massive profits, it does not hurt to lock in profits. I kid you not, you're seeing some coins that did not do anything are popping off. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, when you see those profits, do lock them. But this does not mean that I don't think in the short medium term that Terra Luna Classic can't make a move towards the upside. And of course, like I said, the biggest thing that could happen for Terra Luna Classic is Binance tweeting, more, support coming from them. That could be a huge factor. Until then, profit of course is there. Momentum can shift, but long haul, I'm not as confident, to be quite frank with you guys. Of course, if new validators come, if community really actually takes the initiative, which I've said from the beginning, we could sit here and talk about, massive burns, this and that, but people actually got to do it. People actually have to do it. But if we're looking at the, pretty much the high from September 22nd, you can see this for yourself. That would be a move of about 539% from the current price level. So we're looking at close to even almost $2.5 billion market valuation for us to reach that. So is that possible? I think it's still too early for us to talk about that. First and foremost, we need to retest this target, and if we're able to break out of that resistance, then we'll take it from there. Well, let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with my overall take? Do you totally disagree? Why? If you do, let me know. If you do disagree, let me know exactly why in the comment section. Try to give me something that I might not know of. So let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.